Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. I really wanted to add some Christmas cheer to my dining room, and most of my stuff is still packed, unfortunately, but luckily I was able to find this arrangement, so I thought I'd give it a makeover. And if you don't know, I actually made this from cardboard and a piece of burlap fabric. It was so easy to make. I'll make sure to include a link to the full detailed tutorial. That way, in case you want to make one of your own, you can see how easy it is to make a large arrangement like this. And this is how this arrangement looked for last year's Christmas season. Of course, I gave it a makeover once that season was over and springtime arrived. I thought I'd go ahead and add some nice peonies to it and just make it look a little bit different for the spring and summer. It turned out beautiful as well, and as you can see, this little cardboard box has actually been very versatile. So I guess it was time for another makeover, and I started removing all of the flowers. Of course, while removing all of the flowers, I came across this little lion magnet that I am pretty sure my littlest put inside. I was wondering where that had gone. I took everything except some eucalyptus, some lamb's ear, and a Dollar Tree garland that I wrapped around the foam. And since I couldn't find the box of florals that I had used from the previous year, I decided to just grab whatever I could find and start arranging something totally new. Now, most of the stuff was from either Dollar Tree or a couple of picks here and there that I had found on clearance from the previous Christmas season, and some couple of things that I found at Walmart this year, but really, I didn't really have to buy anything new. Most of it I really already had. Now, I usually like to work with odd numbers whenever I do something large like this, but I only had 2 of those large flocked picks, so in cases like this, I put one on one end and then put the other one diagonally across on the other side. Also, I didn't have my 3-tier candle holder from last year since I couldn't find it either, so I got these little candle holders from Dollar Tree, and I only had 2, but I went ahead and used them and added them to the arrangement as well. Then I just kept adding more pieces here and there, making sure that the floral foam was covered and nothing was peeking through. Then, after I was happy with the arrangement, I cut 2 long pieces of ribbon and placed them on either side. Then I took some really fine sewing pins and attached the ribbon to the box. I did this at all 4 corners and along the center of each of the long sides. This helps keep the ribbon in place and gives me the ability to remove it once the season is over, since it's not permanent. Then I just make 2 bows at either end. And that's it. That's how I made this Farmhouse Inspired Christmas centerpiece that had traditional touches of red throughout. Not bad for having scavenged pretty much all of these pieces from wherever I could find them throughout the house. I'm actually very happy how it turned out. I think it actually looks like something that could come from Kirkland's. The idea of the ribbon was so simple, yet it added a nice little touch to that burlap box. So don't be afraid and just grab whatever you have and make something beautiful out of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to get more inspiration like this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.